Okay, so hello everybody, good morning. Thank you for taking the time to join this session today where we are going to present Cisco in our cloud marketplace. We are very happy to communicate this alliance with Cisco. I mean, it's not a new alliance, but it's a new project where you will have the option to purchase or to provision Cisco from our cloud marketplace. And I have to clarify that we will have the option to provision some offers from Cisco from our cloud marketplace. Today we have Renato Crepaldi. He's the manager partner operations for LATAM from Cisco. We also have Mikael from our enterprise team. He's the director of the value division. And I am Marlene Novo. I am the Global Alliance Manager at Intcomex Cloud. We are going to present today these new offers from Cisco through our cloud marketplace. So this is the agenda that we are going to cover this morning. Intcomex Cloud, we want you to know what we do, all the value that we can offer to you as our partners in the Caribbean. We want to explain the project, the Cisco PMI, just so you have an idea. When you hear about PMI, it's Partner Marketplace Integration from Cisco. We are going to describe this project so you can understand what we cover. Also, we are going to explain you the different phases and journey because this is just starting. We are adding new offers in the marketplace and it's an ongoing process. I'm going to explain the offers that we have available in the marketplace, and Renato is going to help me to clarify any question that you may have or anything that you may want to hear from Cisco directly. That's why Renato is here today. Also, I'm going to show you the marketplace and how you can see the offers through the marketplace. And of course, we want you to go after this session with an idea about the next steps and the timeline and what you have to do to start selling Cisco with Intcomex Cloud. For all of you that maybe don't know Intcomex Cloud, we, as a company, Intcomex, we are the largest cloud solution distributor in Latin America and the Caribbean. We have more than 1 million square feet of storage. We are already a company of 2 billion with a compound average growth of 16%. We do direct sales in more than 31 countries, especially because of the different islands that we touch. In the cloud team, we are more than 80 people dedicated to sales cloud in the region. We do business with the most prestigious and respected vendor in the industry. We have over 50,000 active resellers in all the region, Latin America and the Caribbean. And out of these 50,000 resellers, we already convert 3,500 to the cloud business. And that's what we want to do with all of you. We want to enable you so you can start selling cloud. This is the trend, this is here, and that's the business of the future. And the most important fact, we have more than 30 years of success in the industry. When we were thinking about how we can present these new offers to you, we were analyzing where they can purchase Cisco from different distributors. That's not new. We already have Cisco from the enterprise team. What's the value to purchase Cisco from Intcomex Cloud? I think this slide reflects what we do and what we can do for you. We have a very complete portfolio of solutions where we have different category of solution from migration, from MSP solution, from cybersecurity, collaboration, project management, backup and protection, CRM, marketing. We do a lot of solutions in different categories. So if you are part of this ecosystem of partners from Intcomex Cloud, you will be able to sell all of these solutions, and you will be enabled by Intcomex Cloud. We also offer professional services, and now we are launching our new play for professional services, where we do assessment for different category, and you can also have interaction with different partners for services in the region. We also do training, but not only the training, the presentation and the traditional training. We help with certification. We have a good success story about certification for different solutions. And we help you with the training path, and also we bring the speakers and we do the sessions for you in a different format, so you can bring all your engineers or your sales team, and you can train. We can train. The most important asset that we have is our ICP platform. It's a platform where you can purchase the cloud services, and then I would say the more specific value that you can have in that platform is the capability to manage your billing and financing and reports. So that's a great value that we offer to all our partners. When we talk about the platform itself, it offers the possibilities so that you can manage your cloud business in a single platform. It's like your center of operation in the cloud, and it's free, and it's powered by Intcomex for all of our partners. We also offer first level of support for majority of the vendors that we do business with. We offer marketing services. We help you with collateral, material, white label information from the vendors, and we help you to launch the solutions. We also help with incentive for different solutions. If the vendor doesn't have the incentive, we create the incentive for you and for your sales team. And the most important thing, we have a very strong team where we have senior business development managers across the region helping to position our solutions. So here's just an overview of our portfolio and all the category of solutions that we have. And today, Cisco is the star. So let's start with Cisco. When we talk about PMI, and I want to help the partners, Renato, with the naming conversion from Cisco, so they can identify and they can be prepared when they talk to the account manager from Cisco in the region. So PMI is very easy. It's partner marketplace integration. Is the way that Cisco empower the partners and the distributors to integrate with their platform. The way we have it is a automatic API integration where you can have simplify ordering and pricing. The idea is that you can have a high volume of sales through the marketplace and with less operational cost. You will find here different offers like Still Watch, now it's called Cloud Analytics, Cloud Mailbox Defense or CMD, Umbrella, and Webex Flex. But the most important part of the PMI, and I want Renato to mention that, is that we have fixed discount in the marketplace. So there is no special price, no negotiation. And I want you to explain that part, Renato.
Marlene. So again, guys, so it's a pleasure to be with you guys today. I think it's an important milestone for the region that again we have Intcomex and Intcomex now cloud, right? Within our SaaS offers, right? So what Marlene is mentioning is key for us as we scale the usage of these SaaS offers is how easy can we make for you guys to sell, right? These solutions, if you guys are already a Cisco partner, I think you already know the solutions, right? You guys can access these solutions through the Intcomex Enterprise and Mika's organization, right? But again, sometimes you guys still needed to talk to someone at Cisco, created a special pricing that is in the case of Cisco is called the DUID, right? And negotiate that, right? For the market that we want to develop using PMI, right? The sub 250 users, for instance, right? We are putting the price on these offers as the best discount we can get. And with that, there is no need to discuss pricing, right? The pricing that you guys will be seeing on PMI is the pricing we have for that offer. And with all the automation that it's provided by the platform, right? Help you guys scale this, and we can sell to customers and making sure that, again, get more present digitally and faster on these offers to them, right? So I think what Marlene wanted to make guys, the offers on PMI is the best price we can get. There is no pricing negotiation. It's just a click buy for that offers that are available today in the Intcomex cloud platform for you.
Very good. Thank you, Renato. Okay, let's cover the different phases that we have in this project. Just so you have a visibility about the different countries, because in this session we have the partners from the English Caribbean, but we also cover other countries where we don't have the direct entity yet. So you can purchase from Miami, from Intcomex Miami. Okay. So if you are
Marlene, just me say, I know that again, a lot of you guys possibly are from Jamaica and they say, guys, why I cannot buy locally in Jamaica today? I think that is things that, again, we are working on. We want to launch the PMI through, I think, the biggest operations we have right now. That is the 4 here and Miami. I think you guys can leverage that. For the other countries, I think it's not for the other islands in the Caribbean, is the English-speaking Caribbean. I think it's, you guys are used to do it from Miami. But for the Jamaican guys, a little bit of patience. You guys can order through Miami until we settle things locally as we move forward. So Marlene, just want to say that again, it's more on our side than yours.
Thank you, Renato. No, that's great. And that's the idea. So we can start selling. We can, with Mika and his team, we can show results, and then we can have the direct entity for the other countries. But for all the partners in Jamaica, or if you are in Dominican Republic or in Puerto Rico as well, you can purchase from our entity in Miami. I just wanted to mention that.
Guys, any questions over there that we can answer for you? Now is the time to make all the questions. No questions?
No question.
All right. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes. Hi. My name is Eric. I'm from Jamaica. I'm with Intcomex Jamaica. Just curious, because it's the first I'm hearing about the PMI platform with Cisco. What are the products that you're actually offering on this platform? Is it only software, or are there other products in terms of switches and firewalls and so on?
Very good, Eric. Great question. For now, we only have software or e-delivery services through the marketplace through PMI. And I'm going to show you the offers. Actually, that's the first part of the presentation. We have, and that's the spirit of that presentation, to show you and to give you visibility of what we have right now and what is coming in the future. So right now we will have StillWatch Cloud. Now that offer, it's going to be renamed by Cisco as Cloud Analytic. Also, Cloud Mailbox Defense, it's called CMD. That's a specific offer to protect Office 365 from Microsoft. Umbrella, we will have the different flavors, Insights and Professional, the Essential and the Advantage part for Umbrella. Webex, we will have Webex Calling and Meeting. And in the roadmap, we have different offerings. AMP for endpoints, Duo, DNA Space, secure remote worker, Duo, updates for Webex and Umbrella, like the A-work part numbers. Maybe Renato can complement on that part later. Meraki on SVP, the MSLA, which is a different API or a different mechanism to order through the marketplace based on consumption and not based on subscription like what we have right now. And the consumption API itself. So that's the picture that we want you to remember what we have right now. I'm going to show you a better slide where you can see how it looks in the marketplace. And keep in mind that it's a project in process, and we are bringing more offers to the marketplace.
Okay. So are these only for corporate clients, or persons who are home users can take advantage of these things?
All users, there is a requirement for Webex for the partners to sell it, but we are working on that so we can help the partners to enable and to prepare to sell all the offers that we have here. It's a very simple training that they have to take, and they have to do the exam. It's a certification for collaboration. But as part of the program that we are launching, we are going to help and support the partners with the training, the certification that you may need to be able to sell Cisco through the marketplace.
Okay, thank you.
One comment here, guys, is that imagine in your territories how many people sold Microsoft 365 in the last year, in the last 2 years. Cloud Mailbox Defense, it's just an add-on for a couple of dollars more a month. You can increase the protection of their system exponentially. And I think right there is a very simple sale, and that can increase your revenues exponentially, and it's plug and play, and it's just a few clicks away. So if you know the Microsoft 365 environment and the marketplace in your countries, this is a huge opportunity.
Okay.
Thank you, Mika. Very good. And for all the partners that are already familiar with Cisco and know the part numbers, the SKU, the description, so that the next couple of slides are for you. So here you have the specific offerings for Stillwatch Cloud Analytics. These SKUs are what we will have available in the marketplace, what we have right now, because you can go right now and you can purchase and provision through the marketplace. For Umbrella, here you have the specific SKUs or services that we have in the marketplace integrated. Webex, we have more options for Webex, and soon we will have the A-work, the specific part numbers for Webex that you will be able to order through the marketplace as well. But for as of today, you can order Webex Flex, Meeting, and Calling. CMD, Mika was mentioning Cloud Mailbox Defense. And as you know, we are the biggest distributor for Microsoft in the region, and we are going to do co-marketing with Microsoft for CMD. So if you are already a Microsoft partner, you can leverage that, and you can work with us on the protection for Office 365 with Cisco. Any question for now? If not, let's just see how it looks in terms of the services name, the description, the recurrency of the license, and the SKU. This is a simple slide, but what we want to do here is to show you the scope of the services that we have in the marketplace in terms of licenses. in terms of the quantity of licenses. And Renato, if you can help me on that slide as well, because we know the price list from Cisco is huge. So this is what we have right now in the marketplace, and we want you to check your project, your bill of material, and compare with what we have in the marketplace, and make sure that you are covering your customer needs with the offers from the marketplace. And check the limit of the licenses. This is very important because what we have in the marketplace is fixed. This is what we have right now configured, and there is no options to change, to add a higher number of licenses if you go to the top. Renato, I would like you to help me on that slide as well.
No, that's I think what's important, right, guys? Again, the PMI, we want to address this market that possibly, depending on the offer, right, is sub 150, sub 250, right? For the cloud mailbox security, there is no limitation of seats, right? But if you guys can see for umbrella, we are talking about 500 seats. So it's important that, again, the PMI, it's addressing these markets, right? Giving you guys agility. But if your customer needs more than this number of seats, you guys still can buy it through Intcomex. The only difference, you guys possibly need to call someone on Mika's organization to follow up on the deal with you guys, right? That I think is pretty important for us, you guys, to understand where is the number of seats that, again, we have to migrate from the PMI to the traditional buying motion. The offer is the same. There is no difference on the offer, and what we will deliver to the customer is how the buying process will be, that will be different, right? But again, all the efforts that we are doing with Intcomex and Intcomex Cloud on the PMI offer is to help you scale on this market that is sub 500 seats, I'll say, right? And give you guys agility, predictable pricing, and a way to manage the license, all centralized on the easiest way, right? That's the objective we have with you guys in Intcomex Cloud on the PMI offers.
Very good. Thank you, Renato. Okay. So just so you have an idea of how it looks in the marketplace, here you have the offer. It's just a screenshot. You can go to ICP, our cloud platform, and you can search by category. You can search by cybersecurity or by collaboration, or you can just put Cisco and you will see all the offers that we have available right now. And here is very important that if you are not a Intcomex Cloud partner, the first step that we need to complete is to register you in the platform so you can be able to purchase through the marketplace. When we say ICP, Cloud Marketplace, or the platform, the provisioning platform, it's the same. It's our cloud platform, and for Cisco, that's PMI. We will provide you a provisioning guide where you will have all the guidelines of how to provision the different offers and some important information that you may consider when you are provisioning, like the DRAM number that you will need to have in mind, the specific information per offering. Everything that you may need to provision in the marketplace, we have it here in that provisioning guide. And here is the timeline and the next steps that we want you to remember, because this is the starting point of our journey with Cisco. So we launched on July the 8th. It was a broadcast session for all the partners, but now we are doing this local launch so you can have more insights in your specific language about the project and what we are going to cover. The idea is after the launch, we can take 1 week to set up the marketplace, to request your user in ICP, and to validate your DRAM number with your Cisco product manager locally. If you don't know who's your product manager, just send me an email and I can put you in contact with the right product manager. There is a recommended testing phase where you need to test your access in the marketplace and provision. So don't start until you have an order from a customer to start provisioning. We encourage you to test before. And we also recommend to do a session like this with your customers where you can explain the offerings. Also with your internal team, we recommend to have a kickoff and a commercial presentation, also a technical onboarding with your pre-sales engineers, and the final or this the demand generation phase where we do a go live session with you for your customers and you present the offerings to your end customers. So that's kind of the recommendation for this journey with Cisco and Intcomex Cloud. Now we have more minutes for open questions. Any question?
No question, guys? Questions?
No question for me.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Are you hearing me okay?
Yes.
Okay, sorry about that. There's a problem with the mic. For the partners, they might be interested in the not for resale license to be able to test any of these solutions. Are we offering any of that through ICP?
Not through ICP, Ayrton, but what we have here is not new from Cisco. So the same rules that we have for Cisco for the traditional business apply. What is different here is how they provision, because now we have some offers available through the marketplace. But if Cisco have NFR or different programs for these offers, they can apply out of the marketplace, and then when they have the business from the customer, they just purchase the order. We don't say purchase the order here, we say provision. They provision through the marketplace. But
Thank you for that. Thanks for that, Marlene.
Just make sure that again understand, right? Because there are possibly two motions, right? There are one motion that again, if the partner wants to have the technology for their own use, so Cisco offers NFR for that partner, right? So if one of your partners wants to use it as their own infrastructure, they can, and then it's outside of the PMI, right? And also, again, there are some 30-day trials that again they can offer to a customer that goes outside of PMI, but then as Marlene mentioned, right, on the time to order came, you guys can leverage PMI to order the license to the customer, and then the customer doesn't have any prejudice on having to reconfigure things on instances of Webex, of Umbrella, right? So that's to make sure that again, we are touching both of the ends, right? Partner use and a demo to the customer, right?
Good, thank you, Renato.
All right, I had a question on the cloud, the Mailbox Security. I know there are other vendors in the market for that in terms of competing for that Microsoft protection for the mailboxes. What would you say is the advantage of going with the Cisco flavor of it?
I can answer. I think definitely we'll have some specific trainings by the offer, right? But I think what I'll tell you is again is the visibility that Cisco provides, right? Within all the endpoints we have on security, right? We have a team that's called Talos, right? That again manage and receives a lot of information from devices, and we are able to see threats faster than a lot of our competitors, right? So I think that is one of the key differences I see from the cloud mailbox defense offer, is the leverage of all knowledge that Cisco have on other security products to make sure that again we can provide the best security for your email, right?
Okay. Okay.
Very good question. Thank you. More questions, comments? It seems like everybody's clear. Mika, do you want to make any comment?
Let's take advantage of this opportunity. The first guys that start selling this are going to be the leaders of the market. This is the future. This is where all the vendors, again, led by Cisco, are going to go in the near future. So the sooner you start to understand everything as a service, the sooner you're going to start making money in comparison to your local competitors. So don't miss this opportunity. And you can ask all the questions you want to Marlene, to Renato, to me, to the teams now or offline, and we'll be more than happy to help you to start building your portfolio of as-a-service solutions.
Great.
Great. Thank you, Mika.
Will you guys be say for example, I have a client and I'm meeting with them, but they want some more information. Are you guys willing to, like work with me and my clients on an individual basis to help to convince them to purchase the products?
Yes, definitely. I want Ayrton or someone from the local team. Where are you based?
I'm in Jamaica.
He's in Jamaica.
Okay, very good. So I want Ayrton to answer you, and I will complement.
Right. So that's one of the other values over and above the ICP, Roger, and the rest of the Jamaican persons on this call. This is the value that you have from our commercial and pre-sales team. We will ride along if it is that we need to act as your pre-sales. That is something we're open to as well. The clear objective is for us to identify the customer's needs and the opportunity for you to do business, be it any solution from close, and specifically Cisco. This is something that we are prepared to do for you as well. So just let us know what are your opportunities, and let's schedule the meeting with your customer base.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, Ayrton. Very good. That's exactly
You're welcome.
Great. Roger, are you already transacting with us in cloud? Do you have access to ICP?
Roger, a quick thing, and from the Jamaican team here and Caribbean team, we have on the call Kari, who is the business development manager for cloud for the Caribbean, English Caribbean. So any opportunities that you're looking, you need assistance with, you can speak to him and you can pull on the local team and the extended team from the cloud division. As Marlene indicated, we are 80 plus strong, and we're here to support. So from a commercial standpoint, that would be Kari. He will reach out to all the technical persons that are required to support you.
Thank you, Ayrton. All right, very good. If you don't have more questions, I think we can close. Renato and Mika, thank you for the time and for the opportunity to present you this amazing project. We are going to work with you. It's just the beginning of this journey. And I want to invite you to get the credentials for ICP so you can start checking what we have in the marketplace, and let us know anything you may need. You will receive soon communications from us, marketing campaigns, the provisioning guide, the benefits guide, the price list, everything that you may need, because as we have the prices and the discount fixed in the marketplace, there is no negotiation, so we can share the price list with you. Okay.
Thank you very much, guys. Take care. Be safe.
Yeah, thank you guys. Again, Marlene, thank you, Mika, Intcomex team for supporting us on these efforts. And we're here to support you guys and help you guys achieve your goals. Thank you so much.
Thank you as well.